Welcome to this complete Kosovo guide. Nestled in the heart of the Balkans, Kosovo is a diamond in the rough, waiting to be discovered. This young nation, with its rich history and vibrant culture, is a delightful mix of East and West, offering an experience like no other. Kosovo, though small in size, is a treasure trove of diversity. From the rolling hills in the west to the flatlands in the east, every corner of this country tells its own unique story. The people of Kosovo, warm and welcoming, are the country's true charm. Their resilient spirit has been shaped by a history that's as diverse as it is complex, creating an intriguing blend of cultures, traditions, and languages. As we journey through Kosovo, we will discover its beautiful monasteries, stroll through its charming parks, and explore its bustling cities. We will delve into the heart of this captivating country and unearth its hidden gems. Now, let's dive into the 13 must-see places in Kosovo. Kosovo is rich in religious heritage, so our journey begins with some of its most famous monastic sites. Let's start with the Visoki Dekani Monastery, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Nestled in the heart of the Accursed Mountains, this marvel dates back to the 14th century. The monastery is a treasure trove of Byzantine art, housing over 1,000 individual frescoes. Not to mention it's still an active monastic site, home to a community of Serbian Orthodox monks who continue to preserve its legacy. Next, we traverse to the Gračanica Monastery. Situated just a few miles from Pristina, this five-domed Serbian Orthodox church is a splendid example of late Byzantine architecture. Constructed in the early 14th century, Gračanica is renowned for its frescoes, especially the Last Judgment, which covers the entire western wall of the church. Despite the ravages of time and history, the monastery stands as a beacon of faith and resilience. Finally, we journey west to the Patriarchate of Pek Monastery. Tucked away in the Rugova Gorge, this complex of four churches is a fusion of architectural styles, reflecting the various periods in which they were built. The Patriarchate is a key religious site for the Serbian Orthodox Church, having served as the seat of the Serbian patriarchs since the late 13th century. Its frescoes, notably those of the Nemanjic dynasty saints, are a visual feast, illuminating the spiritual and historical narrative of Kosovo. But these monasteries aren't just about architecture and frescoes. They are custodians of stories, of centuries-old traditions, of faith, and of a people's resilience. They've weathered empires, wars, and the passage of time, yet they stand, each a testament to the rich tapestry of Kosovo's history. So, whether you're a history buff, an art enthusiast, or a spiritual seeker, these sacred sites offer a captivating glimpse into the religious and cultural heritage that has shaped Kosovo. These monasteries are not just places of worship, but a testament to Kosovo's rich history. The capital city of Pristina holds many of Kosovo's treasures. A city where past and present converge, Pristina is a veritable treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. One of its gems is the Ethnological Museum. Housed in two Ottoman-era houses, this museum is a time capsule that gives us a fascinating glimpse into the traditional life and culture of Kosovo. The museum's collection, which includes costumes, tools, and household items, is a testament to the country's rich history and cultural diversity. A stone's throw away from the city's hustle and bustle, you'll find Jermia Park. This verdant oasis is the ideal spot to unwind, whether you're a nature enthusiast, an avid hiker, or just someone who enjoys a leisurely stroll. The park's expansive greenery, serene lake, and well-maintained trails make it a favorite among locals and tourists alike. Next on our list is the National Library of Kosovo, an architectural marvel that's sure to catch your eye. Wrapped in a metallic mesh and dotted with 99 domes, this building is a symbol of Kosovo's resilience and thirst for knowledge. Inside, it houses an impressive collection of books and manuscripts, some dating back centuries. Just outside the city centre, the Bear Sanctuary is a must-visit for animal lovers. This refuge is home to rescued brown bears, who now enjoy a life of freedom and care. The sanctuary's commitment to conservation and animal welfare is truly inspiring. In the heart of Pristina, you'll find Mother Teresa Square. Named after the Nobel laureate of Albanian origin, this bustling square is a popular gathering spot. Here you can observe the daily life of Pristina, with its vibrant cafes, shops and street performers. Lastly, no visit to Pristina would be complete without a trip to the Kosovo Museum. This museum showcases the country's archaeological, ethnological and natural history through a wide array of exhibits. It's a place where you can delve into Kosovo's past, understand its present and imagine its future. Pristina, a city that effortlessly blends the old and the new, is a charm that can't be missed. Next, we journey to Prizren, a city that wears its history with pride. Prizren is a living testament to Kosovo's past, a city where every cobblestone and brick whispers tales from a bygone era. Let's begin with the Prizren fortress. Perched high above the city, this fortress is a silent sentinel that has watched over Prizren for centuries. Known locally as Kalaja, this fortress has seen the rise and fall of many civilizations. It's not just a fortress, it's a history book written in stone. From its ramparts, the entire city unfurls like a beautifully woven tapestry interspersed with the shimmering Bistrica River. Descending from the fortress, we find ourselves in the labyrinthine alleys of the old town of Prizren. The old town is a delightful maze of narrow streets, quaint houses and charming squares. It's a place where the past and the present collide, creating a unique fusion of time. Here you'll find the Sinan Pasha Mosque, a splendid example of Ottoman architecture. Its gleaming dome and slender minaret are a reminder of Prizren's Ottoman past. And then there's the Church of Our Lady of Lievis, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, displaying the city's rich Byzantine and Serbian heritage. But it's not just about the architecture. The old town is also alive with tradition, the sound of craftsmen chiseling away, the smell of freshly brewed coffee, the sight of locals haggling in the bazaar. It's a sensory feast. Prizren is a city that will make you feel like you've stepped back in time. No visit to Kosovo would be complete without exploring its natural wonders. First on our list is the awe-inspiring Gadim Cave. This subterranean marvel, also known as the Marble Cave, is a labyrinth of stalactites and stalagmites, each one a testament to the slow, patient art of Mother Nature herself. Discovered accidentally in the late 60s by a villager, this cave now draws in thousands of visitors each year. Its surreal beauty is reminiscent of a fantastical, otherworldly landscape, a place where time stands still and the world above seems a distant memory. From the depths of the earth we ascend to the heights of the Rugova Gorge and mountains. Here, the rugged beauty of the landscape is as breathtaking as it is diverse. The Rugova Gorge, carved by the swift and mighty Peja River, is a testament to the relentless power of water. Its sheer cliffs and dramatic vistas are a paradise for hikers, climbers and nature lovers. Unsurprisingly, it's often referred to as the Yosemite of Europe. The Rugova Mountains are no less spectacular. With peaks soaring above 2,000 meters, they offer panoramic views that stretch as far as the eye can see. Whether you're a seasoned mountaineer or a casual walker, the enchanting beauty of these mountains is bound to leave an indelible imprint on your memory. The breathtaking beauty of Kosovo's nature is truly a sight to behold. And that, dear travelers, is our brief but fascinating journey through Kosovo. We began our exploration with the Visoki Dekani Monastery, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that stands as a testament to Kosovo's rich religious history. Next, we delved into the past at the Ethnological Museum in Pristina, home to a collection of artifacts that speak volumes about the country's cultural heritage. We then took a leisurely stroll through Jermia Park, a verdant oasis in the heart of Pristina. From there, we ventured to the Prizren fortress, an ancient stronghold that offers breathtaking views of the city below. We followed this up with a walk around the old town of Prizren, where the echoes of history are as tangible as the cobblestones underfoot. Our journey continued at the National Library of Kosovo, an architectural marvel that houses the country's literary treasures. Then we paid a visit to the Gračanica Monastery, a serene spiritual retreat that's steeped in tradition. We also took time to check out the bear sanctuary in Pristina, a haven for rescued bears and a testament to Kosovo's commitment to animal welfare. Next, we descended into the depths of the Gadim Cave, a subterranean wonder that's as haunting as it is beautiful. From there, we headed to the Patriarchate of Pek Monastery, another UNESCO-listed site that's brimming with historical significance. We then took a stroll through the bustling Mother Teresa Square, the heart of Pristina and a hub of local life. Our journey took us next to the Kosovo Museum, where we delved deeper into the country's rich history and diverse culture. Finally, we found ourselves in the midst of the stunning Rugova Gorge and mountains, where nature's grandeur is on full display. So, whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or just an avid traveler, Kosovo has something for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we hope to see you in the next one.